Now, what is blocking the orgasm? Let's find out. Let's ask these two questions from you. Why do women take such a long time to have an orgasm if they are going to have an orgasm? They take between 30 minutes to 60 minutes just to get aroused and to have an orgasm. Why? And on the other side, why do men orgasm and ejaculate so quickly? Men actually ejaculate an orgasm only 30 seconds to 7 minutes. They both have problems. With these problems between the man and the woman in the society, can they satisfy each other? Can they be happy? I don't think so. Women take too long, men take too quickly. They both have problems. Now let's find out what is the problem and how we can solve this problem. I believe, with my experience of 25 years bodywork experience, I believe 80% of the problem and the solution lies in a small gland called prostate, which is the G-spot of the man and the woman. 20% in the body. Prostate blocks with emotions, and let's have a look at what happens. Man's prostate is, you access that, you have to go through the anus. What happened to the man when the prostate is blocked? Men become very violent. These are the men who rape women, who abuse children, who become very violent, who beat up their women when they come home and children, just because the prostate is blocked. They also blame everyone for every mistake. Nothing is their fault. They will become very aggressive. And also they like to control. They want to know where you go, the children, the wife, the girlfriend, everybody, they want to control. These are the behaviors of the man whose prostate is blocked. But don't worry. If you know such a man, it's very simple. What you need is just a pair of gloves. And I will teach you how to change this man into an amazing being that you don't want to leave. Leaving is not the answer. A prostate massage of the male, what happens is the man whose testosterone are very high, who's very macho, is balanced with estrogen, the female hormones. Just a prostate massage can do that, to balance the person from a very aggressive person to a very beautiful soul, just with a pair of gloves. Now let's have a look at the behavior of the woman. Woman's G-spot or the prostate, to access, you need to go through the Yoni. It does exactly the same thing, but opposite to the man. How different it is. While the man becomes very sexual, he's looking for lots of men, lots of women and men to have sex. Woman, she actually shut down. She doesn't want to know about sex. When the woman's G-spot is blocked, she doesn't want to have sex. She completely shut down. So very opposite to the man. And also, she doesn't blame anyone else like the man. She blames herself. Everything is her fault. And also, like the man destroys everything around him, including wars, women, they don't destroy anything. They harm themselves. They self-harm. They go into cutting themselves, drugging themselves, alcohol, even they start selling their body for money. Why? Because harming themselves unconsciously, not consciously. Also, men want to be controlled. Women want to be submissive. They allow anything, anybody to do to them. So this is the behavior of the woman. So if you know anybody with these problems, please help them. They only need a Yoni massage. What the Yoni massage does is release Amrita, detox the Yoni, remove the negative stagnant emotion. increase the testosterone, male sex hormone, to balance her body. Then this woman who couldn't find a male partner, who lost interest in sex, they become very horny. And men look for dates. They want to get married, start relationships. So the woman who is completely shut down, suddenly with few tantric work practices, they change. Their lives change. Everything changes. Not only the sexual life, your career, your wealth, your health, your happiness, your home, everything changes to a positive tone. This is the power of this work.